This is an Alberta emergency alert. Calgary Police Service has issued an Amber Alert. This alert is in effect for Central Alberta and Southern Alberta. At 2:30 p.m. on Thursday, January 27, 2022, 2-year-old Hawken Gerald Thomas was taken by his mom, Tamara Jean Vanderjagt, from downtown Calgary. Hawken is a white male with blonde hair, wearing a red sweater, green boots, and dark camouflage sweatpants. Hawken's mom, Tamara, is a 40-year-old white female with bright, short, red hair. She was wearing a black hoodie and red pants. Tamara was driving a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander, brown in color, Alberta license plate, NLY991, and was last seen westbound 9 Avenue Southeast, going past Blackfoot Trail. Do not approach the suspect. Please contact the police if you have any information. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.